Hey everyone, Pauline here from Zilch Beauty, back with another exciting Subtl video. I cannot believe it's the holidays already, and Subtl sent me a super amazing gift package to review with you guys just in time for the holidays. This would be a perfect gift in and of itself, but you can also break it up into multiple gifts. So let's walk through the Subtl starter set. Let's take a look at what this baby comes with. I have four main items here with me today. We have the brand new Subtl travel bag. I love this color. I love that it's clear. You can see all your products super easily. Perfect for on-the-go travel over the holidays or for gifting easily, something you could give it like a white elephant. So love this. Then we have the brand new Subtl Stack 4-piece brush set. It comes with 4 different brushes. We have our little package here, and we have all of these travel brush sizes ready to go. We have the smallest one right here, which is for your eyeshadow. This is the brush number 15. Brush number 20. This is a new brush. I cannot wait to really try this out. This is for cream. So think concealer, even lip and cheek. I just applied the Plum lip and cheek from the Subtl stack that I have. I could have easily used that. We have brush 35, which this is for cheeks. Think like powders. I think it's a little bit more of a fluffier brush. And then we have brush 45, which is also for powders. I would think of this more for like bronzer or all over powder, setting powder, things like that. So you easily have basically like a very multi-use brush set that you can also throw right in here. So those are the first 2 pieces. Then we have our big tins. I started to open this already. One is for the lip balm trio and the other is for the eyeshadow trio. These are really fun. I love a holiday tin. So let's open up the lip balm trio first. Like it says, you have 3 different lip balms, and I'm gonna finish off my makeup look that I just started with one of these today, as well as a mirror lid and a brush base. This mirror lid can go right on top of your pre-existing stack, and all of these new lip balms have flavors to them, so I'm super excited to smell them, try them out. I haven't done that yet. So that's the first tin. And then the second tin is the eyeshadow trio. So let's take a look and open this up. I'm gonna finish off my look today with one of these eyeshadow trios as well. Oh, nice, it comes with a brush. Amazing. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow trio set. We have Layover eyeshadow duo. We have this purpley vibe. The Staycation duo, more brownie. And then we have the Takeoff vibe. This is a bit more of like a warm tone brown, almost like a little amber peachy vibes going in there. We also have mirror lid and brush base, and then it also comes with a shadow, dual-ended shadow brush. So let's finish off this makeup look with one of these. I kind of want to do this one. This is Takeoff. This is that last one that has a little bit more of that peachy warm tone to it. Now these shadows come in their twist off, so you can just add it to the bottom or in the middle of an existing stack, which I love. It has a little cap on it, and she's ready to go. So let's use the double duty dual end eyeshadow brush for this. My boyfriend and I are going to go to brunch, so this is perfect timing. We have the slanted end and the fluffy end. So let's swatch. We can swatch really quickly. Again, we have this really pretty, ooh, that's so pretty. It's like an amber shade. So I'm going to start out with that slanted end, and I'm going to grab the top of one of my stacks that has that mirror in it so I can see myself. And I'm going to start to place this more matte shade in the crease and a little bit above my crease. This like sweeping sunset motion back and forth. It's almost like the shade of a bronzer, which I typically like to put in my crease to start with most eyeshadow looks, especially if I'm using a deeper shade. But because this shade is already kind of similar to the bronzer that I have on, and it's not too deep on its own, I feel like I can be okay putting that right on top. Look how nice and pigmented that is right off the bat. And it's going really nicely with the Passport to Plum lip and cheek that I'd already put on. So I'm just gonna keep putting that matte color on the outer half, and I'm gonna leave that inner half of my lid open for the other side. So now we have this really pretty shimmer shade, and I'm just gonna pop that in the middle and start to kind of direct it inward. Oh, it's so, wow. I think this might be one of my new favorite duos. I have not tried this one yet. I have the whole rest of my makeup done except for my mascara. And then I was going to top this off with one of the lip balm trios as well. Now I have my mascara on, and let's go over those flavored lip balms. I'm so excited. So we have Strawberry Stopover with this pinky shade. We have Mediterranean Mint, a bit more of a beige shade. And then we have Cherry Chateau, like this. I think I'm gonna go with this middle one, which is Cherry Chateau. Oh yeah, smells like cherries. And this is a beautiful lip balm. So I already have the Plum Lip and Cheek on my lips, but this is slightly tinted. So this is actually gonna work really nicely. Oh yeah, and the consistency is just so nourishing, not too sticky or anything like that. Oh, these are gonna be my new favorite. And then let's just smell the other ones really quickly while we're here. Oh, I love that. If you don't want anything too poppy, this would be perfect to give you a bit of like a muted bit of color without it being anything too intense. Oh yeah, she's minty. And again, this doesn't really have any color to it. Maybe a little bit of tint, not really. I might use that on my eyebrows to keep them in place. That's a fun little hack. And then the last one is Strawberry Stopover. Oh yeah, that smells like a strawberry. I love it. So this one does have a little bit of that like reddish tint. Let me put some of that on top. Oh my gosh, I love these. Wow. Okay, so that is the Subtl starter sets. You can purchase them all together, gift them as one, gift them as different sets. You have the travel bag, the brush kit, the eyeshadow trio, and the lip balm trio. What a fun new way of gifting and thinking about makeup for the season. I think the lip balms are gonna be awesome to give. It's getting colder, a little bit cooler outside, not as much moisture in the air. So that is it. If you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to Subtl's YouTube channel. There are tons of other tutorials just like this, and it will be coming out with fresh content throughout the holiday season. So stay tuned. Bye everyone.